want to do a quick follow-up video to this mini split I've got here. A couple weeks ago I was having an issue with this where in cooling mode the larger suction line on this, if you can call it that, I think technically both are suction lines, but this larger line right there was freezing up. I have a HVAC technician's license and am 608 EPA certified, so I pulled the charge on this, put it back in to weight it in, I guess I should say, to factory spec, and was still having a problem. I just want to quickly document my experience with Pioneer's customer support, technical support. So I first started out by emailing them and did not get a response at all for over a week, and so I then gave them a call, and after being on hold for a short period of time I was able to connect with someone in their technical support department. They asked a few questions, and I provided some numbers and some insights and answers to their questions. And anyway, he sent me a sheet to try ohming out the little stepper motor on the EEV. So I ohmed out the EEV, and it was slightly out of spec. So I got back on the phone and contacted customer support again, talked to the same guy actually that I talked to before, and he said, okay, I think that's out of spec. We need to replace the EEV stepper motor. I had to then call the warranty side of the company, because once again, if you install one of these yourself, it's up to you to, chase down the parts and stuff. Obviously that's one of the benefits of hiring someone, a professional. They'll do that for you as part of their warranty service. So don't try to install one of these yourself unless you're willing to make the effort to track stuff down. So anyway, I had to call the warranty number for Parker Davis, who distribute Pioneer. Talked to the guy, gave him the information he needed, and said they were going to send out a part. And here it is. They sent the whole apparatus. This is the old stepper motor that wasn't working, but they not only sent a new stepper motor with its cable, but also a new EEV. I guess it just comes together. Okay, so there's that. Obviously I didn't need to replace the EEV itself, just the stepper motor. But it was a little interesting because the warranty guy said, okay, we'll ship it out here in the next couple of days. And anyway, so I waited a week and hadn't received any kind of confirmation that thing had shipped or not. And so tried emailing them again just to check in. Didn't hear a response for a couple of days. So then I tried calling the warranty number again, talked to another friendly person there, and looked it up, saw that the order had been placed, but it just hadn't been shipped out. So he personally went and made sure it was going to be shipped out. It shipped out the next day and arrived in 3 days. So all in all, it took like 6 weeks to get it all figured out. Some of that was because I was waiting for an email response and didn't get one that first time around. So word to the wise, if you have a Pioneer mini split and you want to get a new part or need to replace something under warranty, just call them. Don't try to email them, because I had zero luck with the emails, but did have a lot of luck calling. And then if you don't get a shipping confirmation emailed to you within 2-3 days of ordering a part, maybe reach back out to them and make sure that the part shipped out, because mine had been ordered and it just hadn't shipped out for whatever reason. So anyway, it did come. I did get it replaced. It fixed my issue, and the mini split continues to run exceptionally well. So no complaints. Just took a little effort to get it. Everything was free. I obviously performed the labor to replace the stepper motor, but that was very easy to do. They're not too complex machines if you know what you're doing. But anyway, I just wanted to pass that information on to you guys out there in case others of you have Pioneer mini splits and you have warranty issues. I just want to share my experience working with them and what worked the best for me and what didn't work so good for me, so that hopefully it can expedite your experiences as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.